Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Sumit Kumar and today we are going to learn about SNS, how to send notification. Okay, so what is the SNS is? If you see, like, I have already created one video on SNS, and on that video I have shown you if you upload any data into S3, if you upload any file into S3, then from the S3 property you can set the notification. And there are three options: the lambda, SQS, and SNS. So I have shown you on last video. Once you upload file into S3, then we already configured one notification, like it will notify to the user. Okay, that I have already done. So this is just purely configuration things. We don't have to write any single line of code, but sometime you have to upload file from Python. Okay, for this, if you want, if you want to go through this disturbed scenario, you can go to my previous video. This is my video where I have already shown this. You can watch this video, but no worry, if you don't want to do these things and your requirement is to send the file from your Python code, then we are going to do this one today. So let's start from beginning. What we are going to do today is we'll learn about SNS, but what is our scenario is we'll get data from different source. Okay, our source can be API, our source can be any database. Okay, any database or anything like. Okay. So once we'll get data, we'll prepare the data into data frame, and then this data frame will upload this data frame as a CSV file into S3 bucket. Okay, once we'll upload data into S3 bucket, then after uploading this, user or should get the confirmation message that file has been uploaded successfully, and this notification we are going to use SNS. To send this notification we are going to use SNS. Okay, let me recap again. We'll get the data from different source. Once we have the data frame, we'll upload this data frame to S3, and once the data will be uploaded into S3, user or some people, some like who are going to use that data, they will notify, so they will get the notification. Okay, that is my use case. So here we are going to do this thing using Python, and before doing all those things we need to set up one S3 bucket. We'll set up first S3 bucket, and we'll set up this SNS also. So now I'll just brief you about a little bit about SNS. So SNS is pub/sub model. This is there you have to create one topic. Okay, once you create a topic, publishers can publish the message here, and whoever will subscribe to this topic, they will get the notification. Okay, so here you can create producer or you can create consumer, but here they are saying publisher or subscriber. So here as a publisher, where you going to use Python code. Okay, and subscriber, we are going to subscribe manually. Okay, we'll see here how to do this thing. Okay, so we need to go to the Tools console and we need to create the topic. Once we'll create the topic, we have to create the subscriber part. This part will be UI part, and for sending data, for publishing data, we are going to use Python. Okay, hope this is clear. So without wasting time, we are going to do this demo. So before moving ahead, I want to tell you, like, you can go to my channel, and if you feel this is good, then please subscribe to this channel. And if you subscribe, you will get many more video like this. Okay, thank you for that. So now we are going to do this is the next part. Okay, so if you see this one here, this is my Tools account. I already logged into the Tools account, and you can see if you type search for this SNS service, you will land to this page, and you can see this is pub/sub messaging for microservices and serverless application. So this serverless application, so backend whatever things is happening, we don't have to take care of that. Okay, that AWS will take care. And you can see you can read all those things. As the benefit is there, if there is pricing model is there, how there is no upfront cost, and there is multiple use case also that if you want to read these things, please go ahead and read. Okay, now we'll create topic. So if you see here, you can directly go and write here topic name and create here, but I will go to this. Okay, I'm just clicked on that options. Now first things first, like we have to create the topic. So we'll create topic and we'll give topic name as we'll go for standard, and we'll keep the core topic name S3 upload notification. Okay, this is optional, but I will keep this one also. That and all things you can leave it. Okay, so create topic. So if you see, this part is done. I have created the topic. Now I will publish the message using Python, but before that I need to do the subscription. So we can, once this is created topic, we'll go to and take the create subscription. In the create subscription, we have to select the protocol, and we will select protocol as email, and here email ID. I will type my email ID. Okay, this is my email ID. And apart from that, everything's fine. So now if you go here, the topic, you can see here there is one topic, and who subscribed to this topic? No one, because the subscription is pending. So the subscriber will get the mail to verify this one. You see here, he might got the mail. This is my mail ID. Okay. So okay, you can see here now. Just now I got the mail, and I will just click on confirm subscription. Okay. So once you do the confirm subscription, then you come back here in the screen and just refresh this one, or you just go back there and come back again. You'll find like this user is subscribed. Okay, so this part is done. From here to here, I have created topic, and I have created the subscriber, and subscriber is already subscribed to this topic. So whatever the message will come here, subscriber will get that message. Okay, so now we'll come to the publish part. So what is my scenario is, I have to create one data frame, means I need to get data from various API. So we'll not do that one. That is a different task. So I already have the data frame. Okay, I will create the manual data frame. So let's suppose I have this data frame. Okay, let me run this one. If you see, this is my data frame. I'll upload this data frame into S3. Okay, so I have to create S3 also, right? So I'll go here. I'll go to S3 bucket. We'll create a bucket, or we'll use any existing bucket. Okay, to save the time, because I know you people know how to create the bucket and all. Okay, and these two things. This test delta frog bucket. That's the bucket. Inside that there is 2021 folders there. Okay, let me put my data here. Okay, so I will taking this one bucket name and this folder name. I'll keep this one here. So this bucket is done. And what I need to send. Okay, so I'll come here back again. we are using Python code. So through the Python, we need to send the notification. So we need Boto3, and we have to create one user, programmatical user, and that programmatical user should have the access to upload data into S3 as well as SNS. Okay, so we'll create one new programmatical user and we'll attach S3 and SNS access to that. Let me go back to my this. It was console. We'll go to IM role. That and all you people already know. I have already done this thing in my last video. If you want to move forward, you can move it. If you don't want to see this one and you want to save your time, okay, but I want to go for full video, so I'm just creating here. Let me create one user. I will give notification user, not the anything you can give name 3, and I'll create programmatical access. This is my programmatical access. Okay, next I will attach the policy. What policy you have to attach? S3. I will keep S3 full access and I will keep SNS full access. Okay, so that is fine. Next, create user. After creating the user, I got access key and secret key. I will keep this access key and secret key here. This will be used in future and just now. Okay, so this is done. So I have access key, secret key, I have the bucket, I have the data frame that we need to upload to the bucket. So now we'll write the code to publish the message after uploading. So before that, we need to upload the file, right? To upload the file, I already have written the code. So this is the function. This one I already have done in my previous video also. Or you can check my channel. So this is access key. I will assign this access key here. And this is my secret key. Secret key, okay. Okay, secret key. So this is I created one function to upload the data frame. So if you see data frame and bucket name, what is the bucket name? This is the bucket name. I'll write here bucket name. And what is the key? Key is this one, right? We'll keep key this, and I will be the file name. What file name should I keep? I'll keep the file name as test.csv. Okay. That's all. Finish quickly. So what I am doing here is, this is to create the connection from Boto3 to S3, because I want to use S3 service. So this Boto3 will help to make the client for S3. And this is for temporary buffer. And once we have the buffer, we are saving this into data frame. This data frame I'm saving into one file. Temporary buffer we are saving, and this buffer only we are getting the value and sending as a body. This is for upload. This put object is just to upload the file into S3 bucket. So bucket name I'm giving here, and then we are giving the prefix. Okay, this to upload the file. And now after uploading the file, I need to send the notification. So to send the notification, this is the code. Okay, so anyway, access key, secret key I have already defined. So I will remove this from here, and this is for SES. and I need to take this SNS topic. So where is my SNS topic? I will go to my service, go to SNS topic ARN, because on that topic only you need to send data, right? That's what I need. SNS topic ARN. I can take it from here. Okay. So the error number is this. That's fine. And if you see here, there's very simple functions. I'm just creating one client for SNS, and this SNS is in which region? US East 1. So I need to check this one. Okay, this is the US East 1 only, so that's fine. Okay, region is fine. So after creating the connection using Boto3, okay, I just need to publish the message. So this is the function. I will call this function with error number, okay, and message that I want to send. So this is correct. This is fine. Now I need Boto3. So I need to import Boto3. Boto3. Okay, and also and this one. Okay, now all the error gone. So we have data frame. Fine. We have function to upload data into data frame. Fine. And we have the function to publish the message. That's fine. So let me upload data first. So I will call this, right? I have to call this function. One by one I will run it. So this, what is my data from DF only. Okay. So let me run this one and check whether data is uploading or not. So this is not defined, correct? Because I have not ran it, right? Let me run it. Okay. And now I will upload the file into S3. Okay, this function is ran successfully. So we'll go to my S3 and we'll see whether we got the file or not. This thing I already have done in my previous video also. Okay. So what was the bucket name? Think this is the bucket name. No, this is not the bucket name. I will check verify. Bucket name is test delta from bucket. Test delta from bucket. Okay, this is the bucket. This is the file you can see here. Just now this got uploaded test.csv. So once this got uploaded, after that user should get the notification mail, right? So now after running this one, I have to create one message, like what message you want to send. So I'll just write here message equal to some whatever you want, like data or file has been uploaded into bucket this, right? This is the message I want. You can create this whatever you want. Even you can customize this message as well, whatever you want. Okay, and just hard coded this message, and then I already have this SNS topic, right? So I will just call this. Let me call this function. So this SNS ARN is nothing but my ARN number, SNS topic ARN. Actually, this is okay. So I will send this one. Better to make variable like ARN. Hope you understanding. Okay, very simple code and nothing else. Only we are just after uploading the file, user will get notification, and you can automate this also. So let me run this one completely all the things all together. Okay, So I ran this ran successfully. So anyway, we have checked already, our file is there. Okay, now we'll check we received the message or not. We go here to my mail and you have to wait for that. I'm waiting it. You can see here, you can see file has been uploaded into bucket. Okay, the user got a notification. So that's all for this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any problem you can comment it. I will surely reply to that. And if you have any scenario or any real-time scenario that you want to, where you want my help, please put it down into comment. I will definitely make the video. Thank you very much for watching.